Right. How's it going there? Back again. My latest creation, the pallet fence. Yeah. Got the windbreak side here, which has posts in between each pallet for strength. Fill in the gaps with ripped up battens. Each section, or each pallet, is screwed into the post with 4 screws, 2 at each end. It's modular, so you can remove them and enlarge or reshape the whole deal. This is a vegetable garden that's going to incorporate a chook pen. 2 gates, 1 on either side. Vegetable garden will be split in 2. So we've got the south side where we get the cold southerlies, has got the windbreak. And on the north side, the pallets have been doubled up between posts and wire mesh put in with the battens denailed and ripped out. Same again, the double sections are fixed into the posts at each end with 2 long screws. And if you want to make it larger or smaller or even a different shape, you just undo the screws, lift the panels out and carry on. I don't know what it cost me, but I reused all the nails. I picked up some cheap screws at the local Lions Club sale, and I got most of the pallets for free, and I already had the coppers logs. So if you're into recycling and you want to save the planet, the only way to do it is to be conservative. That means don't buy the shit, find it. Pick it up on the freebies in Gumtree or on Marketplace. It's the only way. Reduce your consumption and you help save the planet.